Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to convert from PDF to PowerPoint. Here is our 3-page of PDF file. Let's convert it. Go to Browser, type PDF to PowerPoint, go to the site, select your PDF, and convert it. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. It's ready. Download it. Here it is. Press F5 to make it full screen view, and use arrow keys to move it left or right. And to quit it, press the Escape from the keyboard. Let's add a transition. Choose any transition. You can select different transition for every page. Or check this checkbox to apply this transition for all pages. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!